everybody! Today Simon and I are in Calgary, Alberta, and we are on our way to go see the Wonderland Sculpture. Stay tuned! Drove to the Waterloo Airport in the middle of the night, was the last one to board the flight, and finally reached Calgary. Decided we were super hungry, so went to this cute place called Maven. I'm telling you, the decor and the food plus the coffee was food was amazing, coffee was amazing, our tummies were full, so we now decided to go see the Wonderland Sculpture. I was a little curious about this because I had seen this in a lot of pictures and I wanted to go check it out myself. Here I am enjoying the beauty of it. Again, I quote, this is on their website. This sculpture represents the hopes and dreams of young people, and this bold creation echoes the fresh, youthful energy of the building's tenants. I don't know about you guys, but I felt pretty inspired after looking at the sculpture, and their approach to creating this was actually to inspire everyone who walks by it. And another fun fact about this is that to fabricate the sculpture, it actually required 11,568 welds to complete and finish it with an industrial grade coating. Now that to me was impressive. The cool thing about that sculpture was that you could actually go inside it. Here's a little sneak peek of the Calgary downtown for you guys. The city of Calgary I found was not as crowded as Toronto, obviously. The streets were so colorful. I'm telling you, it was so cute. They were Instagram worthy for sure. That's why we clicked some pictures, took some good footage, and then we were on our way to go see the Calgary Tower. So this is the famous tower in Calgary downtown. The streets of Calgary are so colorful, especially on a sunny day. They make it look so nice. I didn't mind walking in all that wind at all. It was pretty nice. And then we finally reached the famous Stephen Avenue. Oh my god. If only I would have visited this street on a summer evening, it would have been perfect. We started just walking on Stephen Avenue, checking out various places, and on our way back to the parking lot, we found this cute little bar called Leopold Tavern. And guess what? The bartender was so nice. The vibe of that entire place was so cute. Like, if I have a bar someday, it's going to be like that. And the best part was the bartender gave us a Polaroid camera, and now we both are on the roof of Leopold Tavern. If you haven't checked out the other vlogs, go check it out now. Here's a sneak peek of Banff, and there's another video about our Airbnb stay and the hike. See ya!